Okay, hi, good day everyone. So today we will be doing paper 2, May/June 2023, number 5. Alright, and these are our statistics questions. So let's read number 5. Each of the 75 girls, so how much does 75 girls, recorded the name of their favorite sports. The number of girls who chose track and cricket are shown below. Alright. How many girls chose cricket than track? So if we look at cricket, cricket is actually 12. This is 12. And, sorry, that's track. And then cricket, if we zoom up, this is a little bit fuzzy. That's 3. So between 16 and 20, there are 10 spaces, right? So we're going to say 10 spaces is equal. So what is the difference between 16 and 20? 4, right? So one space would be 4 over 10. So we want 2 spaces. That's 4 over 10 multiplied by 2 over 1. 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 10, 5. So it's 4/5. All right. We're not seeing it here, but it's actually 2.5, right? Not 2. So it's actually 2.5 spaces we need to find out. So 2.5 spaces is going to be 4 over 10 multiplied by 2.5 over 1. Right? You'll say this is 0.5, this is 2. So 5 going to 10, 2 times 5 is going to 2.5, 0.5 times. 2 into 2, 1, 2 4, 2. So this is equals to 1. This from 16 to this space here is 1. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So cricket is actually 17. So if they ask how many more girls chose cricket than track, that basically means the difference. So the difference between 17 and 12 is 5. So this was 5. So the difference is 17 minus 12, which is equals to 5. So 5 more girls chose cricket than track. Right. Part B says 11 girls recorded tennis as their favorite sport. For the remaining girls, the number of who chose swimming compared to the number who chose football was 2 to 3. Use this information to complete the bar chart above. So they said 11 girls recorded tennis as their favorite sport. For the remaining girls, the number who chose swimming compared to the number who chose football was 2 to 3. So first off, we need to find out how much remaining. So we know they said that tennis, so they told you what tennis is. Tennis is equal to 11. Track is equal to 12. Cricket is equal to 17. So the remaining will be the total number of girls, which was 75, minus what we know, which is 11 plus 12 plus 17, close bracket. So that's 75 minus, when you add all of this up, you're going to get 40. Right? 75 minus 40 is 35. They said for the remaining girls, the number who chose. So now they're giving you swimming to football. Swimming is 2 to 3. So the order in which they say the ratio is the order in which the ratio, the order they give the order in which they tell you the sports is the order the ratio is in. So because they said who chose swimming compared to football, it will be swimming first, football second, right? So it's a 2-to-3 ratio. So we know that our total number of parts, if we're doing ratios number of parts, the total parts is equals to 2 plus 3, which is 5 parts. So it is safe to say that 5 parts is equals to 35 because that's the number remaining, right? So we want to know how much is 2 parts and 3 parts. So you're going to use the if then, therefore, if 5 parts is 35, then 1 part would be 35 divided by 5, which is equals to 7. Therefore, if you want to find for 2 parts, which is swimming, it would be 7 multiplied by 2, which is 14. So swimming is 14, and we want to find for 3 parts, which is football, that's 3 multiplied by 7, 7 by 2, which is 21. So now we know how many is football and how much is swimming. Swimming is 14 and football is 21. So we want to draw 14 and 21. However, we don't know how many spaces, right? So what we do know, and this is how you would do it, is you're going to do something like this. If 4 is equal to 10 spaces, because the difference between 0 and the next one is 4, 0 and 4 is 4, is 10 spaces, 10 of these small little squares, right? Obviously in CSEC you'll see this a lot better, right? So if 4 is equals to 10 spaces, then 1 would be 10 over 4, and therefore we have to find out 14 and 21, right? 14 is swimming. So how many spaces would be swimming? That would be 10 over 4 multiplied by 14 over 1. 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 14 is 7. 22 is 1, 2 into 10 is 5, 7 5s are 35. So we are looking for 35 of these small little boxes, right? So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 35 is here, and that is for swimming. So I'm going to use my box here, and that's for swimming. Right? So that, and this is how swimming would look, right? This is the bar chart for swimming. Right, now we want to know how much is 21. So this was swimming. So swimming is equals to 35 spaces. And you count in these small little boxes. And then we want to know what is, well, we know 10 is 11. Right, let's find 11 because as I said, complete the bar chart above, right? So if therefore 11 would be equal to 10 over 4 multiplied by 11 over 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 4, 2, 2 into 10, 5. So that would be 55 over 2. 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1. 2 into 15 is 7.5. So you want 27 and a half of the boxes, right? So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, and then half of these small little box. So let's go again. 5, that's 15, 20, 25, and I'm assuming it's somewhere along this lines here. Right? Again, it's just because I don't have a good picture for this. All right, now let's look at football. Football is 21. So we want to know so this was the tennis. Now football is 21. So 21 would be equals to 10 over 4 multiplied by 21 over 1. This is 2. This is 5. 5 by 21 is 105 divided by 2. This is 5. And 2 into 5 is 2.5. It's 52.5, right? Or 52 and a half. All right, so we want 52 and a half. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 52 and a half. Hold on. Let's just make sure. Okay, 52 and a half. I'm going to zoom in so you can clearly see because the graph is easier to see here, right? So 52 and a half would be 2 of these small little boxes, 1, 2, and then half of the third one. So 52 and a half is somewhere there. And that would be how much for football. So your graph should be looking something like this. All right? Now, that is how we would complete the graph. That's 3 marks. Part C, this had determined the modal sport that is the most popular. If we look at this, the most popular is clearly football with 21 students. And even if you write out swimming is swimming was how much, boy? Hold on. Tennis was 11. Swimming was 14. And then this one here was 21. So even if you look at the one that is most popular is football. So football would be your most popular sport. Part D says one of the girls is selected at random. What is the probability that she chose neither track nor cricket as her favorite sport? So probability is equal to probability is desired outcome over your total. Right? The desired is, what does the desired? That what is the probability that she chose neither track nor nor cricket as a favorite. So obviously if she's choosing neither track nor cricket, it would be, what is the total? That would be neither track and cricket would be 75, which is a total minus, for track I believe was 12 and cricket was 17. So they want to know what is the percentage that chose the rest, right? That's 75 minus 789, that's 29, which is equals to 46. So desired, so your probability would be 49 out of your total, which is 75. Not 49, sorry, 46. This is 46. 75 minus 25 is not 49, it is 46. 46 out of 75. And you can use a calculator to see if it reduces. If it does not, just leave it like this. So 46 out of 75 students would choose neither track nor cricket. Right, let's read the last one. The information on the favorite sport of 75 girls is to be shown in a pie chart. What is a pie chart? A circle. Calculate the angle of a sector for football. So first off, your total in a circle, if they're talking about that's how much degrees, the total for a circle would be equal to 360. So you can say if 75 girls is equal to 360 degrees, they want to find out what is the angle for football. Football is, let's just go back up to see how much is football. Football was 21, I believe. Yes. So they want to know what is the angle for football? 21, right? So if 75 is equals to 360, then one girl would be 360 over 75, and therefore 21 girls. 360 over 75 multiplied by 21 over 1. When you do that, you're going to get 100.8. 100.8 degrees. So when they ask for calculate the area, the area of the sector for football, it's 100.8 degrees. And that is how you would do this question. And that is how you would do number 5 for May, June 2023.